Bright Bite.
Hey champ, are you ready to have some fun and learn how to make super smart money choices? Let's go! You know, money is like sand slipping through your fingers. 1 minute it's there, the next minute, poof, it's gone before you even get to buy that awesome toy or your favorite chocolate cake. So, what's the secret to keeping money under control? Budgeting. Budgeting is like making a cool game plan for your money. It helps you determine how much to spend, save, and share with your friends. It's the most important thing. Budgeting helps you to use money wisely and also ensures you don't end up with empty pockets right after buying that fancy dress, video game, or big slice of cake. So, when should you make a budget? Best time to make a budget is before you start spending any money. Think of it like planning your day before going out to play. It just makes everything better. Where can you use a budget? Everywhere. At home, in school, at a store, on vacation, or even when planning the biggest birthday party ever. Does everyone make a budget plan? Everyone! Mom, Dad, your favorite teacher, the shopkeeper down the street, big companies, and even the government. So yes, budgeting is necessary for everyone. Alrighty, now that you're the budget boss, let's do a fun challenge. You've got $100 to throw a birthday party for your 3 best friends. Can you make a budget plan? Tell us in comments how much you'll spend on the cake, sodas, birthday hats, or anything else you have in mind for your celebration. And don't forget to tell us how much you'll save for your next birthday bash. That's it for now, Money Master. We'll be back with something even more exciting and fun next time. Until then, keep being awesome and smart with your money. Bye for now, champ.